It's good. So for some reason, several days after Christmas when I actually got it and already opened it, I decided I want to do an unboxing video. Ooh, that's nice. It opens like Apple's kind of that box, you know, like for example, iPhone 5 does that. Anyway, let's get back to this. Look at this beaut. This 12.3-inch display beaut. That's right, just like a real unboxing channel. I know my stuff. Alright, for this next part, I'm actually gonna have to close it because I'm gonna show the back of the box right here. Nice. So we got Surface Pro 6, and the model I have is the Core i7 processor with 512 gigabytes of storage and 16 gigabytes of Go RAM. So it's a fast boy. Alright, back to the juicy potatoes or whatever that saying is. Alright, back to the boy. So it's got a little notch right here. Normally it has plastic on it, so it's actually easier to get it out, but you know me. I've taken this out. I've run it through its paces. It's not got plastic anymore, so I just pretend it's got plastic. There's some literature in here, I guess. Just information stuff. We got that power brick, which has a nice thing for charging right here, which is magnetic. Ooh, nice. And also, if you notice, we got that matte black finish. Boy! Oh, okay, yeah. So Leo likes the Surface Pro 6 as well. So we're gonna move on to the ports. This is kind of a controversial subject with the Surface Pro 6 because a lot of people are like, USB Type-C, all the things. I mean, obviously, if you were gonna make this an absolute powerhouse, yeah, go ahead and slap a USB Type-C on there, and probably the price may be $100 or $200 while you're at it. But no, instead what we got is the regular charging port, which I guess with USB-C you could also charge it. Magnetic charger is still pretty neat though. Moving up from the charger, we got our good old-fashioned USB 3. You can plug a mouse into this bad boy, and it's a mouse on a Surface, on that boy. And finally up here we got a mini display port. I don't have anything that uses a mini display port. I'm pretty much just gonna be needing this, and I'm good. No, I forgot. There's a headphone jack. It's got a fan. If you do strenuous stuff, you will hear it. Is it loud? No. But then again, I'm also comparing it to this monstrosity of a laptop. This thing is so loud. I cannot take it to school because I can't trust it. It's gonna be like the whole time. Also, it weighs like 8 pounds. This thing weighs 1.7 pounds. I love it. All right, moving on to some other stuff we got here. We got ourselves a Surface Pen. Nice little cute box right there. Good blue. I like blue. That's a nice blue. So it's got one of those airtight containers again. Same with the box. All right, and it's black to go along with black. Dump that out there. It's got a nice feel to it. Real nice. So moving on. Oh, let's go! It counts. So moving on to the next piece, we have the type cover. Now the type cover is pretty much an essential with the Surface Pro. Just as a tablet, it's kind of fine, but you really need this boy. I bet you can notice this stuff right here, and you're going like, Daniel, this is preposterous. Why is there stuff on the... I've used this before, all right? It's been already been unboxed, all right? That's what Christmas is. It's like the unboxing of the year. So I've had 2 weeks of use with this already. So yeah, it has some wear. It's not the signature Alcantara fabric, you know, like the fuzzy one, but this is not anti-fuzzy, if you know what I mean. Finally get this lad out and check out how thin it is! Look at this! They have pressable keys. It's going into like the nothingness. How do you make it go into there that far? Whoa. Is pretty nice. You can see it's got these 6 metal balls there. We'll come back to those later. Actually, never mind, we're doing it now. All right, so we got the Surface type cover. We got the Surface Pro 6. We got the Surface Pen. How do we put it all together? Remember these balls? Nice. So you know where the type part comes in. I turned it on accidentally. Here's where the cover part comes in. Nice. Microsoft Surface Pro 6 has some features of its own that are unlike any other. First of all, we have the signature kickstand. Look at that SSD card right there for extra storage. Just flip this boy here, pop that thing open, and oh, whoa! Don't worry guys, it's your friendly neighborhood advertiser friendly Spider-Man here. Saving the day with that. Did not get into mine, never mind. It's very sturdy actually. Like you can feel the quality. It goes all the way back to here to like a lot of degrees. Perfect for drawing with that Surface Pen. If you're not one of those drawing people, if you're just your average Joe trying to do some media consumption, pop that boy open. You got a nice display right there. What you can do is flip this boy over right here, and it pops up. It's just a screen propped up by that kickstand. Yeah. And it recognizes my face. Facial recognition by Microsoft is actually pretty nice. Once you've configured all the sign-in stuff and all that stuff, check out that display. You see a bunch of me in the background because it's kind of reflective, but you know, try to not. All right. So it's pretty much what you expect of the Windows Home kind of thing. Pretty nice. If you connect the keyboard, that right there is a desktop. Insert the wow sound effect. Now once you get that internet fired up, you can visit the YouTubes and visit your boy on his YouTube channel. Oh, I only have 12 subs? Oof. Maybe fix that, boys. Pop a squat in that like section over there. Alright, and with that, I guess I'm done.